Have you ever thought about relaxing on your campsite, enjoying your majestic meal while experiencing nature? That feeling is heavenly, and having the best portable barbecue grill will make it even better. Because of their compact size, these portable barbecue grills really come in handy for hosting an awesome barbecue party on your campsite or just making your food pretty easily. Well, we've rounded up 5 of the best of those portable barbecue grills just for you. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy our video on the 5 best portable barbecue grills for camping.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Starting with the Country Smokers Traveler Pellet Grill, a portable wood pellet grill from Country Smokers gives your camping trip a smoky flavor. The Traveler is the portable variant of the grill, which is about 24 inches long and 17 inches wide while weighing around 42 pounds. The grill uses wood pellets as its fuel and can hold up to 3.5 pounds of them in its built-in hopper. Having a clean and black sand finish, the Traveler can deliver some great smoky wood-fired flavor to your camping adventure. It has 256 square inches of cooking surface, so you'll have a spacious area to make your food on the go. The grill also gives you a temperature range from 180 to up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit to provide you with a tempting meal as quickly as possible. And you know what's interesting? You can enjoy all the jaw-dropping meals just by pushing a button. In conclusion, with roomy cooking space, searing zone, and all the convenience, the Country Smokers Traveler Pellet Grill will make it possible to cook up some smokehouse quality meals during your camping trips. Enjoy a wide range of variety with the Coleman 4-in-1 Propane cooking system, a great grill to save space and make different kinds of meals on your campsite. As a 4-in-1 cooking system, it provides you with not only grilling features, but the benefits of a skillet, a wok, and a stove as well, which means you can enjoy versatility to the max. And the cooking system gets its energy from a 16.4-ounce propane cylinder, which you can find easily at the market. The removable legs will let you store it conveniently inside the inverted wok. With 100 square inches of cooking area and a cooking power of up to 7,000 BTUs, you won't have any trouble with space or energy while making your dishes. Plus, the Insta-Start push button lets you perform a matchless ignition. That said, with 4-in-1 versatile usage, decent cooking space, and easy cleaning solution, the Coleman 4-in-1 Propane cooking system becomes a fantastic choice for your camping trips. After a long, hectic day of setting up your camp and other demanding work, a lovely smoky flavored meal is always appreciated. That's when Mr. Steak Portable Infrared Grill will get you by delivering some mouth-watering dishes. This fantastic grill uses infrared as its heating procedure and gets fueled by gas. This new and innovative grilling technology will bless your taste buds with some really mouth-watering foods on your camping trips. Plus, the non-skid legs you'll be getting will allow you to place the grill anywhere you want, while the removable grease tray will simplify the cleaning procedure. Next, you'll also be getting an adequate cooking surface of about 165 square inches, which will let you have more space while cooking. Furthermore, having a state-of-the-art ceramic infrared burner, you'll be getting maximum cooking power of up to 14,000 BTUs. Having this impressive cooking energy, the grill can sear the steak with the highest temperature of up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Thus, with the unique burner technology, portability, and electronic ignition system, the Mr. Steak Portable Infrared Grill can be your perfect grill for camping. Save space like a pro with the Hitchfire Forge 15. It's a one-of-a-kind camping grill that can be mounted on your car hitch for convenient carside barbecue parties. The double-burner grill is compatible with most of the 16-ounce propane tanks to deliver much-needed convenience. To use both burners, you'll need 2 of the 16-ounce propane tanks, which makes it last even longer. And with a durable steel build, the Forge 15 can withstand the rigors of any off-trails while mounted on your car hitch. With a huge cooking space of 355 square inches, you'll be able to cook meals for up to 8 to 10 people, which makes the Forge 15 perfect for larger groups. Each burner will deliver up to 7,500 BTUs of cooking power, which makes it a total of 15,000 BTUs of total power. Additionally, its quickly cleanable grill will allow you to clean it pretty easily after enjoying a mouth-watering meal. To conclude, with an impressive mounting procedure, the Hitchfire Forge 15 allows you to carry more gear and items on your camping journey, unlike any other grills. Finally, the Weber Jumbo Joe wraps up this list with a fantastic grilling performance, convenience, and portability, all at an eye-popping low price range. The 18-inch Jumbo Joe boasts a durable build and weighs around 18 pounds thanks to its alloy steel build material. As it uses charcoal as its fuel, you'll be getting a heavy-duty fuel grate that can withstand high temperatures and deliver you an appealing smoky taste. The grill offers you an ash catcher to keep the mess at a minimum for your added convenience. Next, with a fantastic cooking space of 240 square inches, you'll be getting an adequate amount of area to prepare your food. The precise heat-controlling damper will cut off the oxygen flow and extinguish the coals so that you don't have to lift the lid every once in a while. And to keep it simple, you'll be getting a durable steel-plated cooking grate, which ensures consistent grilling by retaining heat properly. Not only that, cleaning the cooking grate is even more accessible, making sure that you never have to struggle with cleanups after you're done eating. Overall, with the Weber Jumbo Joe, you'll be getting durability, jaw-dropping smoky taste, ease of usage, and other conveniences to pull out an exciting camping adventure. So that was our list for the 5 best portable barbecue grills for camping. Thanks so much for watching our video. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends if you found it helpful. And feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.